All right, guys. So remember that we we were studying three different types of equations, and we're going to focus now on the one that we call the point slope formula, which remember looks like y minus y1, x minus x1. So what this tells us is that when we have a slope and we have a point, which is going to be x1, y1, and we have our slope, which is just whatever value it is, we are able to find the equation of a line. So let's look at how that would show up on a question. Say I have a slope of negative 2 over 3 and a point of negative 9 and 4. Using the point slope formula, we can write an equation for this line. And x1 right there. So let's start by labeling our points. I mean, we really only have one point, so we have x1, we have y1. So what we're going to do is we're going to now replace all the variables. So y minus, and we see that y1 is equal to 4. And we have the slope, which is negative 2 over 3. And then inside the parentheses, we have x minus, and then we see that x1 is negative 9. So let's go ahead and simplify this. I mean, on the left side, y minus 4, you could just write that as y minus 4. And we have negative 2 over 3. And then right here, a negative and a negative is going to turn into a positive, so we have x plus 9. And that's what our equation would look like in the point slope formula. Now, if we take it a step further, and let me just go ahead and rewrite this, we would have y minus 4 is equal to negative 2 over 3, x plus 9. If we take this a step further, we can actually simplify this to put it into our slope intercept, which is y equals mx plus b. So how does that work? Well, we're going to start off by distributing that negative 2 over 3. So that's negative 2/3 times x, so that's negative 2 over 3x. And then negative 2/3 times 9, negative 2/3 times 9. Remember, 9, there's a 1 on the bottom of the 9, so we're going to multiply across. That's 9 times 2, which is 18, and 3 times 1, which is 3. And when we simplify that, 18 divided by 3 is negative 6. So we have negative 6. And so finally, what we want to do is that we want to leave the y by itself. And we're going to do that by adding 4 on both sides. So negative 2 over 3x minus 2. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. And that's our equation in slope intercept.